What is a user agent? And why does it matter every time you go online? Let's break it down. A user agent is a string of text your browser sends to websites. It includes details like your browser, operating system, device type, and more. In essence, a user agent tells websites things like your browser and its version, your OS, e.g., Windows, Android, your device type, mobile or desktop, the rendering engine, like WebKit or Gecko. So, why should you care? Because user agents affect how websites look, function, and respond to you. Here's how a user agent can impact your online experience. It influences content layout, determines browser compatibility, sets regional or language preferences, enables analytics tracking. Here's what a real user agent string looks like from Chrome on Windows 10. Now let's talk about spoofing your user agent. Spoofing means changing the user agent string to control what information websites see. And yes, it's completely legal. Why spoof a user agent? To test how a site behaves on different devices, to bypass geoblocks, to hide your browser identity, and to improve your privacy. It's easy to spoof. You can do it using developer tools, browser extensions, or automation tools. You also have the choice to spoof randomly or use a fixed identity. Each approach has its advantages. For even stronger anonymity, pair user agent spoofing with a VPN. Still have questions? Let's answer a few common ones. Is UA spoofing legal? Can I test ads or devices this way? Does it help with privacy? Now you know what a user agent is and how to take control of it. Follow for more tech tips.